Python versus Java. Battle of the Titans. Let's dive into the key differences and find out which one suits your coding journey. Basic introduction. Python is a versatile programming language renowned for its readability. It achieves this through significant indentation and the use of English keywords. This simplicity and power make it a top choice for a wide range of applications, from web development to data science and automation. Java is a high-level, object-oriented programming language designed for minimal implementation dependencies.
What we look at in this video: basic differences of Python and Java, performance, syntax and its job opportunities and the basic salary. Basic difference of both. Java is a compiled and object-oriented language. Python is an interpreted and scripting language. Java is a statically typed. Python is a dynamically typed. Performance. Java is faster than Python due to compilation, quicker code execution. Python is slower than Java, because of its interprets data types at runtime. Let's see how to print the hello world in Java. This code defines a Java class named helloworld with a main method. Inside the main method, system.out, println is used to print the hello world message to the console. Let's see how to print the hello world in Python. It's a simple method compared to Java. You can run this code in a Python interpreter, and it will display hello world as the output. Average salary of Java developers in India is 5.5 lakh per annum. For the Python developers, 6 lakh per annum. In India, there are multiple openings for Java and Python developers. Approximately for Java, 10,000 openings and 23,000 vacancies available for Python developers as per the September 2023 survey.